Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. You know what I'm going to say? Back again on this lovely day. Interesting though, and we're going to cover a few things. Wednesday, August 8th, 2018. So here's the situation. Kind of interesting in a way, but personally, I don't even know what it means anymore because all of this stuff, everything we look at, is just not freaking real. Let's talk about some of this. Stocks finished mixed. The Dow Jones Industrial Average had a loss. The S&P 500 suffered a loss. Nothing major here. The Nasdaq did put on a fractional gain, and I mean fractional. Bonds didn't do anything. 10 years still in that sweet spot. Now, if you recall in the video that I did this morning, I explained to you at that time there was that knee-jerk reaction, dollar strength, when we found out that China hit us with some tariffs. The dollar did give up some of those gains today. What did that do? Well, to my surprise, probably to yours as well, gold and silver did put on a gain. What a shock. I don't believe this is going to be allowed to continue. You know that. It's just, again, it's part of this whole thing that's going on right now. While I'm on the subject of currencies or money, Bitcoin got hammered today. I just looked at it. It was at $6,300. I mean, that's huge. Yesterday, I sold mine for around $7,000. So we're talking about a difference here of $700 in a day per coin. That's pretty bad. Not saying it's not going to rebound again, and it's not just Bitcoin. All the major cryptos got hit and hit hard. Whatever. We'll see how that plays out moving forward. I hate to see people get hurt. That's the truth. You all know that. And me, blind, unadulterated luck that I sold yesterday as opposed to today. That was it. No skill involved. Zero. I just, sometimes you eat the bear, sometimes the bear eats you. That's the truth. So here's what I believe we are going to see. And more than likely, I would be shocked that you don't believe the same thing. They're going to find a way to punish the dollar again. There is a currency war that's been going on for quite a long time. The Fed does not want the dollar strong. President Trump has said repeatedly he doesn't want the dollar strong. And the dollar has been doing nothing but get stronger lately. And every single time I said, hey, you know what? This looks like it's going to roll over for the dollar. It gets stronger. I just can't imagine they're going to allow the dollar to remain where it is. And today was kind of interesting. Like I said earlier, the dollar had a reason to gain. It didn't hold on to those gains, gave them up. I don't know what to make of that, I'll be honest with you. And in the stock market, despite the fact that we had a slight loss here with regard to the Dow, a slight loss here with regard to the S&P, it's probably going higher. In fact, I'm almost sure it is because of the 10-year yield. There's nowhere to go. There's nowhere for people to put their cash to work. It is unbelievable, in my opinion. All right. Let's see how this plays out over the next couple of days here. Keeping your eye on that dollar. If they can keep the 10-year yield in this sweet spot here and manage to weaken the dollar, stocks will move higher that much quicker. We'll have to see how this plays out. That's the truth. All right, with that said, both you and I, will reconvene right in this lovely spot in the morning. See you then.